A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the sacred core, aligning energy, purpose, and the cosmic design. Ladies and gentlemen, in the vast orchestra of the cosmos, nothing exists without a center. Galaxies spiral around invisible cores. Planets are held in balance by their molten hearts, and atoms, the foundation of matter, draw coherence from a compact nucleus. This repeating structure, present from the infinite to the infinitesimal, is not by chance. It reflects a deeper design, a blueprint of existence that whispers of order, coherence, and purpose. Wherever a core exists, strength follows. This truth is visible throughout nature. The sun's core radiates life, giving light. The earth's core creates its protective magnetic shield, and even a tiny seed holds within its center the destiny of an entire forest. The presence of a core is not merely structural, it is sacred. It anchors energy, imparts stability, and sets direction. This very design extends into all living systems, including the human being who carries a silent axis within, often forgotten yet deeply potent. Science too recognizes this sacred triad at the heart of all structures: the core, the mental, and the crust. The core contains essence, values, memory, and primal direction. The mental layer gives shape, thought, awareness, and power to act. And the crust, the visible form, expresses this inner arrangement into the world through behavior, contribution, and interaction. These three layers, seen in everything from planetary bodies to plant life, reaffirm the deep architecture of coherence. On Earth, this model unfolds perfectly. Its molten inner core pulses with electromagnetic energy. The mental transfers that energy into movement, and the crust, though silent, nourishes life. A tree follows the same path. Roots hold purpose. Trunk gives direction. And canopy offers fruit. Even the ocean, mysterious and vast, holds a stable core current beneath, shaping surface tides and touching the land with rhythm and grace. Human structure follows the same path. The limbic brain and gut, the core, generate emotion and instinct. The conscious mind shapes action and decision. The body as crust becomes the outer gift, the expression of inner alignment. This triadic design, core, mental and crust, is not limited to nature or biology. It also mirrors the structure of enduring institutions, ethical leadership and purposeful governance. At the core of any thriving organization or nation lies a core, its values, vision and foundational intent. The mental layer includes its strategies, systems and decision-making frameworks. The crust in turn is its visible function, policies, services and impact on the world. Where the core is clear and coherent, institutions remain resilient and ethical even in turbulence. But when the core is hollow or misaligned, when the vision is replaced by ambition and values give way to expedience, systems falter and outer performance, no matter how polished, eventually collapses. Young minds, especially those shaping the future, can observe this in the real world. A school, a startup, or a government body all rise or decline based on the strength and clarity of their core, the intelligence of their mental processes, and the integrity of their outward actions. Such designs carry profound implication. Wherever a strong core exists, there arises meaning and contribution. The atom's nucleus, though unseen, commands all surrounding motion. The seed's core encodes the intelligence to grow, adapt, and flourish. In the same way, the human core, when coherent, unleashes aligned energy, clear thought, and purposeful action. But when fractured or neglected, this same core creates dissonance. Energy dissipates, direction blurs, and choices lose depth. Ancient wisdom reinforces this understanding. The Bhagavad Gita offers timeless clarity. Lord Krishna speaks of one who is unshaken by success or failure, gain or loss, pleasure or pain. Such a person, centered in inner being, moves with true wisdom. This stillness is not absence of motion, but harmony amidst it. It reflects a life lived from the core, not in reaction to the world, but in rhythm with a higher design. From such inner coherence, arises a sacred trifecta: energy, stability, and direction. Energy, in this sense, is not frantic effort, but a quiet, sustained force drawn from alignment. Stability is the ability to remain rooted while the external world sways, and direction is not a borrowed map but an inner compass, a path sensed, not imposed. These elements are not abstract, they are lived realities. The yogic sciences speak of inner alignment as the awakening of central channels. Taoist teachings speak of the middle way, where extremes dissolve into balance. Sufi mystics whirl around an inner still point, a symbol of centered motion. Across civilizations and continents, the path has always pointed inward to the core, where energy flows in harmony with purpose. What's the way forward? To reconnect with this sacred axis, the way forward begins not in striving but in stillness. Silence reveals what noise conceals. Practices like meditation, breath awareness, or contemplation allow the subtle pulse of the inner core to rise again. Heart-mind coherence, where emotion, thought, and breath align, invites clarity. Intentional action, guided by values rather than external pressure, reflects this inner strength. And study of dharma, of timeless principles that resonate with one's deepest nature, restores alignment between what is done and what one is here to be. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the Gita reminds again, better to fail in one's own dharma than succeed in another's. This is not a call to isolation, but a call to authenticity, to live not by borrowed truths, but by awakened inner knowing. Every element in creation that endures is held by its core. Stars ignite from it, planets orbit it, trees draw life through it, oceans pulse because of it. Human life too finds balance, purpose, and vitality not in the external noise, but in the silent resonance of its inner axis. When the core awakens, energy flows naturally, thoughts align gracefully, and action unfolds meaningfully. The crust, the outer life, becomes a genuine reflection of the sacred within. The visible begins to carry the invisible. Life becomes not just survival, but sacred expression. This core is not an abstract idea. It is the living center of being, the temple not made by hands, the unmoved mover within. To awaken it is to reclaim the deepest architecture of existence. To act from it is to rejoin the cosmic order as a co-creator, not separate from but part of the divine current. In a world distracted by speed and noise, living from the core is not retreat. It is power, it is presence, it is participation in the highest design. For only that which is rooted at the core can rise without fear, flow without force, and give without depletion. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.